My name is Stacey, and I'm in CIT260 with you. I'm originally from Newport Beach, California. I currently live in Cardston, Alberta, Canada, and tonight, and for the next while, like week or so, it's supposed to be minus 45 degrees Celsius. Yeah. I have had limited previous programming skills and understanding. I'm dyslexic and I have some auditory processing delays. And what I've learned at BYUI is that people who are dyslexic should not program. I'm way too slow at it, and there's no way I'd make any money at it. But we're just trying to get to a degree. I'm aware of what Java is, but I've had no experience. My current major is university studies. I'm chasing an organizational management degree with a minor in CIT. Special skills. I'm a soccer coach, and I've been one since 1987 or 1988. I've coached just about every year since then. Um, the town I live in, I am the soccer club president in the community, and I've been the soccer club president since about 1995 or something like that. Long time, 24 years, I think. Um, in the town I live in, there's 3,500 people, and 500 kids play soccer. So I just love to be on the field, and I love it when kids find their passion playing soccer, and the game makes sense to them and they understand it. I coach, I ref, I organize the league, and I have great fun doing that. Things I love about BYUI. Where to start? What an amazing opportunity it is for all of us to go back to school or start school or finish school, and while we keep up with our normal lives and families and callings and work activities. I'm grateful for this opportunity and appreciate the opportunity to have gone to Pathways and now be at BYUI. That being said, I love BYUI week 1 to week 6. Love it. About week 7, things get ugly, and they're ugly for me until week 14. I work full time. I have 4 kids. We're busy in the community, busy at school. I have a second job. I coach soccer and volunteer lots of places, and it just is hard to keep it all going. But I'm still trying to take 9 credits this semester and plow through. So I appreciate the opportunity to learn with you. Another thing I love about BYUI is I love that we can all come together no matter what country we live in, and we can learn together and week by week gain an understanding and then a degree hopefully, and have the opportunity to better our communities and our families and our lives with our education. That is really, really cool. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm looking forward to learning with you, and I'm going to need help from you and every tutor and everybody to get to the end, but I'm happy to help you however I can. Thank you and have a good night.